सर मेरा तो पूरा नुकसान हो गया। आपने एक 2012 का देयर वाज अ स्कीम वेयर फॉर द इन्वेस्टर्स my lord they had said the subsidies will be given concessions the land accordingly my lord को 20 करोड़ का उन्होंने कहा 10 एकड़ की जमीन दी जाएगी, right sir? And as per that my lord an LOI was entered. We said to start with 5 acres. Now 5 acres ना दे करके sir हम we agreed for that, we paid, they paid, gave us first 2 acres, we objected. I'm just on the random, I'm not going as per the itinerary. Then they gave me 3 acres, though I remitted the amount for 5 acres my lords. They did not give me 2, they just gave me 2, then later 3 acres my lords. I kept on saying if a project has to go, when I go for a 10 acres I have something in my mind, in my project. Now whatever the project, how can I do in piecemeal? You give me 3, first you give me 2, you take it off, you give me 3, and then you 2 you had with you. How do I say that? Respondent number 3, in 2014 you give me 3. You don't give me 2 for the reasons best known to you, but you give it to somebody else. That is respondent number 3 my lords. That is the land which I should have been allotted. So here comes the arbitrariness on the part of the said respondents my lord. As a consequence whereof there has been a delay.
There is no respondent number 3.
हाँ?
कब अमेंड किया ये?
Amen.
Respondent number
ये तो अमेंड किया, इन्होंने जो रिजॉइंडर पे हमने फाइल किया और हमने वो डॉक्यूमेंट बताया कि सब
3. Respondent number 3 है ही नहीं.
है नहीं है सर।
इसमें कंप्यूटर पे देखिए.
ये तो सब उन्हें वापस कर दिया सर, उन्हें वापस भी दे दिया और उसके बाद ये हमको दे रहे हैं. That's the beauty. In 2016 they give, take it back when I come to the court of law in 18 and ask you to take 2. What is the justification in not giving me C8 right at the threshold?
When was notices issued to respondent number 3?
नहीं सर, तामिल के होने के बाद उससे वापस ले लिया सर.
And we are not concerned since
They say so.
नहीं, they may be saying
उसका अब लेना देना नहीं है कुछ इस केस से.
तो उसको फिर डिलीट कर दीजिए. पार्टी उसके खिलाफ कोई रिलीफ नहीं, उसको डिलीट कर दीजिए.
नहीं तो ये तो बिल्कुल क्लियर हो गया ना सर, डॉक्यूमेंट में कर ली भी सर.
नहीं अरे जब रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर 3 अगर पार्टी रहेगा रिकॉर्ड के ऊपर
जी,
तो आई विल हैव टू सी वेदर ही हैज बीन सर्व्ड और नॉट एंड
सीवी सेड नहीं बिकॉज़ ऑफ दैट.
उसको फिर डिलीट करना पड़ेगा आपको.
Because if my lord has a perusal, please, can I please?
हाँ प्लीज.
Court master, please, grateful. This is the order. ये 16 का है और 14 को मुझे केवल 3 दिया, 2 इसको दे दिया. मच आफ्टर जब मैंने आपत्ति की, जब मैं कोर्ट में आया तो उसने वापस दे दिया. This is what we see in a rejoinder. He returns and then he asks, you come and take this too. I mean, see the right from 14 to 16 to 18, the laws that the project which had to start off immediately was put on the loop line पे.
क्या आज क्या स्थिति है आपके प्रोजेक्ट?
सर आज की स्थिति है कि हमारे पास वो दिया ही नहीं इन्होंने पूरा. सर एनी प्रोजेक्ट जो दिया था इन्होंने वो 3 एकड़ दिया. Can I come to the itinerary? वो लिखा हुआ है मैंने सर. That's with my lord's permission. In 2000,
once we'll have to agree on one thing. That first, you are not claiming any relief against the respondent number 3.
Yes, we are.
And 2,
बोलो not claiming.
2, you are willing to delete his name.
Delete. Yes, delete.
तब सुनेंगे आगे. चलिए.
Delete.
ये नाम डिलीट कर दीजिए. देखिएगा. At the outset, it is submitted by learned senior counsel that
they are
requesting any relief against the respondent number 3 and also willing to delete his name as the land was allotted in favor of respondent number 3 was returned by respondent number 3 and has now been allotted to the petitioner. In view of such facts.
No. It was, they had offered to me.
Acha, it was allotted, it was offered to be.
Offered to me after the return. That is obviously arbitrariness when the matter came to the court.
Tick.
P9. We'll come to that. Wait, one by one.
Chaliye.
Can I go about, Mr. My lords, in 2012, the brief facts, therefore I gave the complete list of the dates, my lords.
Relief क्या चाह रही हैं आप?
Angie?
Relief, what relief you are seeking?
So we are the relief that is also reproduced, my lord, in this. We also give an IA, my lords, which is that's equally important. There is a document number 14641, my lord, of 24, filed on 16th of October 24. That's equally an important application, bringing submissions, my lords, of petitioners.
ये allotment of land है.
जी.
ये आप बता रहे ना, आपको ऑफर कर दिया था उन्होंने रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर 3 से वापस लेके.
नहीं, ये कब किया है सर?
अभी तो आप ही ने तो
18 में.
हाँ ठीक है,
He said, no, it's not. With due respect, sir. Can I go with the itinerary, please? The dates, please. Now, in 2012, my lord, there's an investment policy, my lords, which is enacted offering how much concessional land, my lords, 25% of the collected rate, my lord, as per the terms of the allotment, and 10 acres was to be allotted for rupees 20 crores, my lord, investment kill. So this was a conscious, my lord, decision of the government of Madhya Pradesh to invite the investors and offer subsidized rates at the concession on the various transactions. This was the policy, my lords. Now, on 18/10/2012, an MOU was signed between the petitioner as also the respondent. Let's have a perusal of the document, please, sir. Let me take my lordships over the documents now, please.
Where-
Let's have a perusal.
Let us come to annexure P2.
Right,
I'm-
very right. I stand obliged, my lord.
Where-
Very
where
right.
It is mentioned that
The recitals. We come to clause 2, sir.
clause 2.
Right. Whereas the party number 2 had a meeting with so-and-so officials in connection with setting up the IT project, proposed investment of rupees 20 crore with leading to direct employment to 1,000 persons, and the MP SEDC assures the party number 2 to support and facilitate in setting up the project as per the information technology investment policy so-and-so and Madhya Pradesh Investment Facilitation Act 2008.
Just wait for a minute.
Right,
Please show me either from annexure P1 or annexure P2.
right.
You were promised 10 acres of land for your project. Because that is the first premise on which your case is sought to be built upon.
Right, my lords.
Please show me that first.
This
That-
is,
when-
my lords,
When was there a promise to allot you 10 acres of land?
that was there, my lords. We come to that, my lords. We come, because this is according to that only they say, my lord.
Because
20 crores.
नहीं, 20 crores is not a big figure nowadays.
No, अभी की बात नहीं है, सर. ये हम बात जो कर रहे हैं वो 2012 की बात कर रहे हैं.
12 में भी 20 करोड़ कुछ नहीं था.
तो जब इन्होंने सेटिंग अप दी IT प्रोजेक्ट का जब बोल दिया है,
क्या पूछ रहे हैं
हाँ.
कि 10 एकड़ जमीन का आपके और उनके बीच में कहां पर अंडरस्टैंडिंग थी या कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था, वो दिखा दीजिए.
ये रिवाइज किया इन्होंने. P9 देख ले सर, पेज 44 में लेटर ऑफ इंटेंट में 3/1/14.
वो बात की बात है. हम आपसे जो
जी.
पूछ रहे हैं उतना बात बताइए कि आपका केस ये है पॉइंट नंबर 2 पर
जी.
इस सिनॉप्सिस के लिस्ट ऑफ डेट्स के.
Yes.
They had promised you to offer 10 acres of land at concessional rate.
Right.
For making
For setting up the project.
for setting up a project with 20 crores investment.
Yes,
Now
because
that is the foundation, because we'll have to.
we're
start
coming to that.
there.
We are coming to that, sir. We are coming to that. Please bear with me for some time. We come to that, my lords. Now, in pursuance whereof, my lord, I submitted a detailed project which is P3. We skip that.
जी.
Right, sir?
P3 कहाँ है? P3 में क्या लैंड रिक्वायरमेंट है आपकी? कितना बिल्ट अप एरिया है? क्या लैंड रिक्वायरमेंट है?
ये हमने जो डिटेल प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट है
हाँ.
फॉर सेटिंग अप द IT
हाँ.
यूनिट हमने P3 का ये पेश किया है, सर.
नहीं, ये तो आपका सिर्फ एक आपने कवरिंग मेमो लगा दिया.
हाँ, कवरिंग मेमो लगाया है.
मैडम
फिर
प्लीज, आई एम सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट.
जी,
दैट
ये सब इनके पास है, सर.
ठीक है, लेकिन मुझे
So we come to that. No, we'll come further.
नहीं, पहले मुझे उतना दिखाइए, अदरवाइज फाउंडेशन ही नहीं
We are
बनी.
coming, sir. We are coming. Let's have a look at P5, please, at page 28. I come to 10 acres, please.
P5, yes.
Right. Application subject is what? The application of allotment of land in the proposed IT park, Bhopal. Your letter dated so and so. With reference to the upper, please find enclosed the copies of the following documents: audit, board resolution, memorandum, registration, tentative plan for use of land of 10 acres.
जी,
Right, sir? Item number 5.
जी.
Processing fees so and so by way of deed payable at Bhopal. The requirement of the land for proposal IT park is 10 acres and tentative plan is attached with the document, sir.
जी.
You are requested to share the land so and so, right, sir? This is P5.
Yes.
And accordingly, the documentation regarding the payment is there. We skip and we come to P7, sir.
जी.
5/11 dates becomes important now, my lord. 5/11/13 is a letter of intent.
जी.
What is the two, my lord? This is reference to your application for allotment registered serial number so and so. We propose now from 10 acres, we propose,
2 acres.
please, to allot you land at measuring 2 acres at the IT park Badwai Bhopal for setting up the IT. Now this is what they do and they put it. We skip, sir. Now next document, my lord, we see page 42. What is an objection? This is reference to our application for allotments of the land at the IT park Bhopal as per the MOU. We are supposed to allot 10 acres
कहाँ लिखा
but you're only allowed 2 acres.
कहाँ लिखा है MOU में?
Sir, this is reference to our application for allotment at IT as per our.
Skipping the first link will not help you.
Sir,
First-
no, I'm not skipping anything, sir.
First, show me from the MOU that parties have agreed for allotment of 10 acres of land without there being a foundation.
Sir, they don't dispute all this. I will come to that, sir. I'll come to that.
I mean,
We'll come to all that.
You come to that first.
No, first I'm trying to bring the arbitrariness in the picture, sir.
No.
Even if it is a 10 acres, it gets modified to 5 acres, sir.
Now you are wasting time of the court.
With due respect, my lord.
Yes, madam. Like, with due respect and with a higher respect towards you, unless you show me from MOU that there was a proposal to allot 10 acres of land, I would not like to proceed further because the whole foundation rests on this, that there was an investors meet, there was a proposal to grant you 10 acres of land.
No.
So to attract
It's not
20
there.
crores rupees
Is it
of
there?
investment, and that was not granted. That has
It's not-
resulted in arbitrariness and loss of hypothetical.
Sir, can I come to that?
Yes,
I say that in the MOU, it's not there. Let's take it that way, sir.
yes.
It's not there. 10 acres is not there, right?
10
But there is an agreement
Excellent.
subsequently. Let's take it this way, sir.
Takes in just a minute. 10 acres,
Let's have a
not in the MOU. नहीं, उसके पहले एक चीज और है.
जी sir.
Item number 2, investment policy जो थी,
जी.
उसमें 10 acres का कहाँ पर है? Was to be allotted because in investment policy you have mentioned
जी.
10 acres was to be allotted. Fifth line, fourth line from top. 10 acres was to be allotted for 20 crores investment. Now, where is that in the investment policy? Because
Clause 7.
clause 7 of the
It says
investment
maximum of 10.
Maximum that can be given.
maximum, not
Yes.
No.
Yes, it is there.
22 bottom.
It's very much there.
page 22 bottom.
Yes, it's given. It's given at page 22, my lords.
To 20 crores, maximum of 10.
That is how we get it, sir. This is the policy. That's what we say, my lord. Scheme comes to be formulated. First, they attract the investors. Invest initially they say for 20 crores for 10 acres. Fine. You did not give me, may not be in the MOU for the time being. But what did you do? You at least came to 5 acres. The arbitrariness does not get eclipsed from 10 acres. If they have not given 5 acres also, they have not given me. So now we come next, sir. After doing all for 5 acres, having done everything, well, let's have a perusal at P7, my lords. They come for 2 acres. Date becomes very important. 5/11/13 is the LOI, right, sir? We come to,
Just a minute. Now you're coming.
right, sir? I'm P7 at page 40.
P7. Yes.
This is 5/11/13, sir.
Yes.
Right, sir? Now, this is with reference to your application dated in for allotment of land registered as serial number so-and-so. We propose to allot you land at measuring 2 acres at the IT Park, Badwai, Bhopal for setting up this much.
Ji.
Right, sir? This is what they go on to say, this much amount so-and-so. Now, next I was coming to page 42, my lords,
Yes.
P8.
Yes.
Immediately we object to that, my lords. This is reference to your application so-and-so, and we are supposed to allot 10 acres, but we are only allotted 2 acres. When I say 10 acres, my lord, which was just read out at page 22, because so-and-so for this, it is this much. We are supposed to allot 10 acres, but you are only allotted 2 acres. As our requisition of elongation of the allotment of 5 acres of land phase 1, we expect you to allot us the same. Here we are submitting the land charges for 5 acres. You are kindly requested to issue us the land allotment letter for the same. Now, having done so through P8, the amount remitted, my lords,
Just a minute.
this becomes simple. Yes. The next document becomes very important, my lords, which is 3rd January 14,
Yes.
when they were in possession of the 5 acres which they could have given. Why? Because 16 that transmitted to respondent number, if not respondent, the other party, right? Now, this is with reference to your application dated nil for allotment of the land registered at serial number so-and-so. We propose to allot you land at measuring 5 acres at the IT Park for setting up the IT. Initially, they said 2 acres at the same place. Now they go on to say 5 acres on my objection, sir.
Ji.
That I said, no, we played everything. For complete 5. For complete 5, we made the payment, my lord, in accordance to the term.
When was it made?
That is a draft is there, my lord, which is at page 43. Am I correct?
Yes.
At page 43, sir.
43.
92 lakhs, sir.
Yes.
92 lakhs, my lords.
Total demand is of 2 crores.
No, that is different thing, sir.
Come to P9. P9.
हाँ नहीं 92 and land charges है
Land premium. plus land rent, lease rent,
हाँ.
plus development.
Total.
charges.
This is,
Total जो है,
ये हमने 90 to page 42 में लिखा है सर, कैसे है?
हाँ, वो तो
The
देख,
land charges है और lease rent charges है. हाँ.
उत्तर आपने ये 2 करोड़ रुपए का भुगतान कब किया?
And the other thing, my lord, as far as the developmental charges are concerned, for that it has to be given within 12 months, my lords. This we find in annexure P9.
P9 पढ़िएगा.
Clause will be, पूरा पढ़ लो.
नहीं, clause,
Four पढ़ लो.
clause जो है relevant.
4. The amount specified in para 2, serial numbers A and B have along with consent letter is to be deposited with us within 30 working days. The development charges can be deposited in 2 installments in a period of 12 months, including the period of the LOI.
Yes.
Right, sir? Now, then we next come, my lords, to P11, sir. This is 6 February 14,
Just a minute.
requesting allotment of land, sir.
Just a minute. P11 bills.
Ji, sir. And this is 6 February 14.
जी.
This is where they agree for 3rd January 14. Now next, for your current perusal, so-and-so Infotech Gallery what's letter of intent for 5 acres of land at the IT so-and-so on the 3rd of January and deposit land charges for the same on so-and-so. We are now very much keen to receive so-and-so for the same as we are planning to lay the foundation stone as soon as possible and start the work thereof. Our organization is frequently in discussion with the IT companies based in Dubai, Singapore, Ethiopia for getting their work outsourced to us. This will endorse in creating large number of vacancy in the state. Now, thus we kindly request you to grant us the LOI for the plot C8 and C9. C8 and C9 at the IT Park Badwai so that we will start constructing our foreseen vision.
जी.
Why I'm insisting is, my lord, what was given was C9 and C8 was given to another party in 2016.
Right.
Why it was not given to me in 2014?
नहीं,
This is the arbitrariness we are trying to drive at.
Again, question arises
Ji,
at whether you had paid first installment of the development charges to seek allotment of both the plots. Because in principle, they had agreed to allot you 5 acres of land.
ji,
So after delay of 2 months.
ji.
But after that, they had put a demand on you. White annexure P9, page 44.
Ji,
You gave the amount of the lease rent and the land premium.
6 months.
You were directed to pay the development charges within period of 12 months in 2 installments. When did you pay the first installment?
The development charges.
Yes.
When was that paid? Because according to the,
Is never paid, none of the development charge is ever paid.
well, that had to be within the period, sir.
Within a period of
The
12
period had to be.
2 installments.
जी, 2 installment में था, but period जो दिया है वो क्या है? The development charges can be deposited in a period of 12 months.
हाँ,
That's year,
12 months.
right? So ये the 3rd January की बात हो रही है, sir.
हाँ, ठीक
3rd January को निकला, ये 6 February अभी 12 months का, ये 6 months तो पहुंचे नहीं अभी हम.
हाँ, हाँ.
14 है, सही है. ठीक है, so अब we are saying we wanted, they don't say anything on that. Let's go ahead, my lords.
जी.
Pete, next come P12, my lord, please.
जी,
We reiterate, my lords.
जी.
This is March, my lord. The next 3rd month, my lords. Very keen to start the IT project. We already delayed for almost 3 months, keeping us the administrative difficulties. We do have a consent to receive allotment letter for plot number C, initially. We would subsequently submit the requisition for remaining land as per the MOU dated 29th of October 2012. Then we on 29th of March 14, we get the allotment letter.
There was a consent for 3 acres.
Now, that's how from 5 acre, initially 2, 5, then 3, that's how it goes. So this comes when, my lord? On the 29th of March 14.
जी.
Right, sir? So we are pleased to allot C9 under the unified coding system measuring 3 acres at the IT Park Village, Badai, which is surrounded by so-and-so, so-and-so.
Right.
So C8 is on the north, which we were requesting, sir.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Right, sir? Now, this being the position, my lord,
Yes.
they allotted to the Messrs Extranet Technologies on 6/1/16.
Now, again, you are required to come back to the fact that by the annexure C12, your person admitted this fact that initially 3 acres से आप काम चला लेंगे. Keeping the circumstances and administrative difficulties in mind, we hereby give our consent to receive allotment letter for plot number C9 which is a 3-acre plot initially. Full stop. When did you start work on this 3-acre plot?
Well, there was a Bhumi Pujan and all that we have.
Bhumi Pujan is nothing. When did you start?
ये next इसमें allotment of remaining उसका P14 में हमने 2 एकड़ फिर मांगा सर.
अरे मांगा, लेकिन आपने जब 3 एकड़ की कंसेंट दे दी थी, 3 एकड़ पे काम कब चालू किया आपने?
ये इन्होंने हमने लगाया है
Your
सर.
client has very cleverly
नहीं सर,
not
नहीं, नहीं.
filed copy of the project report. Because see, I have
नहीं,
done this work. All thing, merely demand is not sufficient.
Sir, I
Person-
understand that.
The persons who are allotting the land
I
are
get that.
required to assess the requirement of land vis-a-vis the project report, that how much is going to be the constructed area, how much is going to be the office area,
Right.
how much area is required for the go down. You may ask for 20 acres, 50 acres, that's not immaterial.
Right.
What is therefore merely filing one page of the cover project report is not sufficient.
पूरा जो था, it was because voluminous इनको दे दिया था sir.
तो
Now
आपने
what
3
is
एकड़
important,
का निर्माण
sir?
कार्य कब
Sir,
चालू
please,
किया?
please appreciate this component, my lords. Any project which takes its birth, sir, they have a planning, as my lord rightly put across. They have a planning as per the project. Now what happens, sir, when I have to get 10 acres, you start with 2, 5, 3. Now where does the project go, sir? How, unless and until the land is not with me, even if I get a chunk of a land, I start digging it. Where is the second chunk of my land? Wherein the second, the things have to go.
That can be shown only from the project report. Now,
But
that is project report.
That the respondent are aware of it, sir.
हाँ, उनका response,
They were given their project report. They don't say we've not given that.
हाँ, उनका response क्या है?
इन्हें कुछ नहीं कहा ऐसे बात में. इनके रिटर्न में कुछ देखते.
Even for the initial 3 acres, we gave them possession on the date of letter of allotment itself. They did not do anything at all. They did not deposit a single penny of the development charges till date, even for that 3 acres. We have refunded thereafter, my lord.
2 acres.
no.
For 2 acres, whatever was there, we have refunded.
हाँ, देख लिया, वो तो मैडम ने synopsis में लिखा है.
हाँ, दिया, we are not saying that. But what is, अब इनके जो रिटर्न में आप देखें, ऐसा कहीं नहीं लिखा. See what they have only whatever they have said in para 4,
जी,
whatever they have to say in para 4, they have said so, my lords,
Yes.
and para 7.
Yes.
Now, nowhere they say, my lords, that we had not submitted the project to them.
Yes.
It's not there at all.
I'm not saying that you have not submitted the project. I asked you
Right.
that what was the constructed area shown in the project report. I never said that you have not given the project report, and that therefore I said that filing of the complete project report would have demonstrated
I get that.
how much area was required for working, how
Right.
much area for office and for storage, if any, because these are the 3 components of any industrial unit.
Very
Be
right.
it the IT industry or be it any
Any
other
industry for that matter. I get that, my lords. I get that. Planning is, but then that having been given to the respondents, and the respondents have not ever done anything on that, my lords. They do not come up with a case that we had not given them the project. They don't say that, my lord, with due respect. If they had said so, then it would have been for us that we should be before the court on that project also. But they did not say so, my lord. What is important is, my lord, any project to take its life and birth, at least the land which has been assured to us should have been given to us 5 acres, sir. They admit that 5 acres was not given to us, sir. Now, what was the reason behind it for not giving us the 5 acres, my lord? Let's have a case from this angle.
जी.
I'm requesting this honorable court to have a perusal of the case from this angle, that you decided to give me 5 acres. Now, 5 acres, I came down to 3, but then I kept on requesting for 2 acres. Now, in further representation, I go on to say that I'm not able to go ahead. Why? Because you've not given me the other 2 acres. It's natural, my lord. If a house is to be constructed, a piece of a land is given, the other piece is not given to me, my lord. How do I construct my house, sir?
That will again take us back to the project report, at what was the area, how many machines were to be deployed.
They don't dispute all that, sir.
They are not disputing, it is your case, you have to come out with it. If I would have been in your place or in place of your assisting counsel, the first argument would have been that to attract 20 crores investment, I required an area of construction measuring 1 lakh square feet, which is not possible on a 3-acre plot or 2-acre plot. If you would have developed your foundation like that, then things would have been different. Now, there is no mention of the area of construction which was required to be made, number of machines required to be deployed, how much area each machine is going to take place, what is the area which is required to separate the 2 set of machines. All those things are seen in the project report.
So we have come, sir, we have come, my lord, with
Then
our premises.
Why you give consent for 3 acres? If I have to construct a house on 5,000 square feet of plot, I'll never accept 3,000 square feet of plot. I'll say that either it be 5,000 or it be none.
But then, my lord, here they come up initially 3, they come with 5, they come with 2. What is the We have the project report, sir. It was not filed. That's something.
What does the project report say?
Bata, smelly ka area वगैरह पूरा. Bata, the total area. It's understood, sir. If you don't have the full area with us, how do we go? How does a dream and a passion get realized, sir? It can't be.
Many a times passion.
And the government is not all that, my lord, would just take anybody for Tom, Dick and Harry for all this. No, sir, no. There are certain norms for which they take us, not otherwise, sir.
प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट से बताइएगा
हाँ.
कंस्ट्रक्टेड एरिया क्या है, फिर आपने कंसेंट क्यों?
सर अब ये देखिए साहब, इनने 25/8/18 में ये क्या कहते हैं? अब देखिए
उसको बात-
इनके कंडक्ट तो देखिए सर.
हाँ वो तो देखेंगे,
कहते हैं, अब 2 एकड़ अब आप ले लो. अब आप ले लो 2 एकड़.
ठीक है.
ये डॉक्यूमेंट you filed it? मैं filed it.
सब आपके पास है, सब पूरा.
नहीं, हमारे पास नहीं, हमारे क्लाइंट के पास.
I mean your client only, not, I don't mean you, a client, I mean.
केसी नहीं.
He's saying this, because the state was earlier not taken, you know, because there was a stay. So do we take a turn? The opportunities will come in the picture. Just tell you. The opportunities will not come in the picture then. Is he ready for the show? Then take care. 2 people, everything's ready. On that, take care.
अब प्रोजेक्ट क्या है सर? वो एक बार पेज 33 पर देखें. As if it is a hardware industry in IT that is being projected. It's not a hardware industry. That machines are required to be installed. They want to
Page-
set up a page 33.
Annexure.
Lord, page 33, 6 is P6. It's their application. For a software development center, they want 5 acres of.
नहीं, अब आपने सर इनने
We will not go into it.
देख-
Will not go into
सर,
it.
ये तो ये नहीं जा सकते.
हम
सर,
नहीं जाएंगे, अब भी नहीं जाएंगे.
नहीं सर, हम लोग इसके टेक्निक नहीं मालूम. सर 25/8/18
हाँ.
ये डॉक्यूमेंट आप देख लें, तो हमें इसके मुताबिक दे दे हमें 2 आप क्योंकि स्टे था सर, इसीलिए इसमें नहीं हो पाया. सो सिंस दे हैव गिवन अ ऑफर, वी टेक ऑन दिस बेसिस 25/8.
In fact, because of the interim stay, we could not cancel even for the remaining 3 acres because till date you have not paid a single penny of development charges.
The matter was subject in the court of law.
No, that
Yes.
cannot be a ground for not payment of development charges for the 3 acres.
No.
The dispute was with regard to the remaining 2 acres. But even for the earlier
आप
3
क्या
acres,
प्रपोज
Sir,
कर रहे हैं कि आपको 2 एकड़ और दे दे तो आप इंडस्ट्री
बना
लगा
लें. सर इनका देखिए, ये पीस मिल पे कैसे कह रहे हैं सर,
ये तो आपका क्या कहना है कि ये
2 एकड़ मिलेगा तो ठीक है.
तो इंडस्ट्री लगा लेंगे
हाँ.
और डेवलपमेंट चार्ज कितने दिन में पे कर देंगे?
हाँ.
आप इंस्ट्रक्शन
जो 1 साल में बोला है सर, अब दे दें, 1 साल के अंदर दे देंगे, 2 इंस्टॉलमेंट में सब लिखा है. टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन फॉर सर.
वो तो 2 एकड़ का देंगे, 3 एकड़ का तो पहले देना पड़ेगा.
नहीं सब एक साथ ही देना पड़ेगा ना सर. सर मेरी तो दुकान ही भी नहीं चालू हुई है. आई हैव नॉट बीन इंस्टॉल माय इंडस्ट्री.
आपकी तो अच्छी खासी चल रही है.
नहीं सर, अधूरी. आई अंडरस्टैंड.
अरे मैडम को हिंदी
तो ये अभी तो अधूरी हो गई है सर थोड़ा. सर वे स्ट्रिक्टली स्ट्रिक्टो सेंसो क्लॉज 4 सर.
इंस्ट्रक्शंस ले लीजिए.
यही है, बैठे हुए हैं सर, इज रेडी.
आप पूछ लीजिए
मैं पूछ-
2 एकड़ और
देकर जब आप तैयार हैं तो जल्दी कर दो. स्टे खुद कह रहे हैं सब स्टे के कारण हम नहीं कर पाए.
अरे ठीक है ना,
नहीं, stay के कारण
cancel ही
cancel नहीं कर
पाए. अरे सुनिए ना,
वो भी 3 लेके
आपको-
होता है.
अरे ऐसे कैसे लेते.
आपके पार्टी है,
इज वेरी मच हियर सर.
बताइए.
आपकी पार्टी इज वेरी मच हियर.
बताइए. आप 3 पार्ट्स में अपनी अंडरटेकिंग बता दीजिए. एक, if they are willing to hand over 2 acres of land as was offered in the form of plot 8, in how much time you will pay the remaining amount of premium and development charge? You can think over it, give this figure after an hour also. 1. 2, in how much time you will start your unit? Because there cannot be any inordinate time gap in starting the unit.
Your Lordship, it's already, there is a 3-year timeline for starting of the unit.
Any, that was the old timeline. Now, within how much time you will start this? ठीक है,
सोच के बता दीजिएगा.
बता दीजिए. 2:30 बजे आप भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस लेके आ जाइए 2:30 बजे कि 2 एकड़ और देंगे क्या इनको. ये